welcome to my channel. And today we are in sauce. And this is my friend Mama, and I am Mama too. Look at me. Let's overview it. Since you're new, really can. And I will be waiting for you, Mama XT. And I have a bag. Yes. Overview it, and if don't continue it first. Don't continue it. I'm counting now. Hello. Let's go here. Wait. Hi, John Rick. Leave. Exit. Tara dito to. Tara. Dito lang tayo na. Hey.
11, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we're going now. We are in the game, John Rick. Let's go. Burden Orbit presents. Hey! That's our camera. Investigator. There's one imposter who doesn't know the word. Jobs. Yes, we are two jobs. Therapist! We are not the sauce. Ready, set, go.
okay. Huwag mo katawahin.
Okay.
Sabi ko na eh. Sino nagtawa?
That's not me. Click the answer! Discussion.
Ay, dito mo ako na ako napindot ka?
You skipped.
Yes. Oh no.
Yes. You need to train. I'm not gonna vote you. Vote. Not you. vote. Don't vote me.
Bakit ako wala?
Because you don't vote. Vote. Why you vote me? And I'm the sus. Please don't kick me.
Ingay! Bacon na yan.
Yay! Yay! I'm not the sus.
Hindi tayo makalakad.
We can't walk.
Ay. Ano?
We can't walk because we are in another. Police! Disney!
Bakit ko lang?
Just forget about it.
Alika, dali.
Enter until.
Dito bahay. Bakit? Bakit wala? Siya.
I don't know. Skip! Skip it.
Yes. Dami ko naman. Ay, sinong black na to?
Wala.
Bakit may pangalan? Yes! Oh, yes! Yes.
You voted. Because you are sus. Let's say
Ang sabi.
you are the imposter.
Ang sabi.
Will be kicked.
Wala pa tayong pera. Ay, ikaw may pera na. Ako wala. Wag na to.
game. It's fun game.
Okay, okay, go. Okay, okay.
Let's play another. Let's go to private server.
Dragon Soccer Kabagis.
Hey.
Ayan. Big-leave ako.
Hey.
Ay, ako yun, oh. Nag-leave na ako. Tingnan mo lang. Ay, ayaw mo leave.
I'm playing another. Okay, goodbye guys. It's a very fun game.